Here is a question. Let us see one each option one by one. Here is one. Suppose un equals to 1 by n sin square 1 by n. Suppose Vn is 1 by n cube. If you find Lt n tends to infinity un by Vn, then you will get 1, and you know that 1 is not equal to 0, or this limit is not equal to 0 or not equal to plus minus infinity, a finite number. So these two uh, means this series and this series behave similarly. You know that this is a convergent sequence, so this series is also convergent. So A is not our option, because we have to find the divergent one. So let us go for B now. So A is not our option. In B, suppose fx x, put x for n. So this will be log x by x, log x by x. Now find f dot x. Then you will get f1 minus log x by x square. And this expression, here we take n equals to 1 to infinity. This means that here x, we have to take x positive. So for positive values, this is positive, f dash x is positive for x greater than e. And you know that e means e is a number, irrational number greater than 2. So for n equals to 3 or 4 or greater values, this function is increasing. Sorry, this function is decreasing. Here will be minus. This function is decreasing. So this series can also be written as n equals to 1 infinity 1 by n log n equals to 1 log 1 plus 2 log 2 plus n equals to 3 and infinity log n by n. Now we have I have kept two terms of this series separate, and remaining terms are inside this. So I have taken in this way, because here you see that this function is decreasing for x greater than e. Is 2 point something. So for x greater than 3 here, so I have taken 3. This is a decreasing sequence. This is the log n by n is a decreasing sequence. Now take fn equals to this log n by n, and find e to the power n, f e to the power n. Then this will be e to the power n. Here will be n by e to the power n equals to n. And you know that these two will behave similarly, and you know that n means sigma n. N is a sequence, and you take the series, then this will be sigma n. Sigma n is divergent. So sigma fn, that is sigma that is this series will be divergent. Since this series is divergent, so this series is also divergent. So this series is divergent, hence B is our correct option. In such type of question, only one option is correct, so there is no need to go for C and D.